Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description, and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description, and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3, and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Take My Life and Let It Be. I'm going to demonstrate the song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose because we're going to focus on the timing of the chords rather than techniques for any particular instrument. If you haven't already, you can click on link number 1 in this video's description, and that'll take you to a chord chart that you'll need to follow along with this tutorial. I'm going to start just by going over the timing of the chords for verse 1, which will be the same as the timing of the chords for all the verses. And as I do, I'm just going to strum once per beat so that you can easily see how long to play each chord. All right, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my moments and my days, let them flow in ceaseless praise. Let them flow in ceaseless praise. Now that we've counted out the chords' timing, I'm going to play through verse 1 again. And this time I'm going to use more complex techniques, but this is just an opportunity for you to practice playing along with the chords. You don't have to try to copy the techniques I'm using. And if I'm going too fast for you, not a problem. Just go into the playback menu and change the playback speed to something slower like 0.75x. All right, let's begin. Verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my moments and my days, let them flow in ceaseless praise. Let them flow in ceaseless, and here, praise. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.